guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, spring is here. Yes, there is snow outside, but it's mid-March and things are starting to melt and the temperature's getting warmer. So, as you know, we made a lot of videos about cooking, but we also do some gardening as a channel name, From Gardening to Kitchen. So, the plan for this year is here. If you look on the table, well, you have seeds and you have, this is the soil ready for some seedings. We prepare at least 1 month before we start to plant them outside because of the cold temperature. So I'm just gonna introduce, tell you fast about the seeds. So we have spinach, tomatoes, cauliflower, broccoli, pepper, also lettuce, cucumber, carrots, beans. These are bitter melon. This we call it water spinach. And these are some more basils. These are literally translation is crab claws. I don't know how to call it in English for real. These are it's the mustard green, but we only grow them for like 2 or 3 inch. Then we harvest, eat them. Yummy. All right, so let's go back to the, oh, by the way, so the soil that I use, this is the bag for the soil. It's great. It cost me around $7 a bag, and it's one bag is more than enough. So these pots here, well, once you put in dirt, it will just simply dissolve by itself. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to remove anything. That's good. I have around 100 pots. Should be enough. As you can see, I already have a bunch of boxes ready for planting, but this year I'm gonna add more racks, more shelves, more stuff to make a real garden, a big, nice, beautiful garden. So guys, stay tuned. We have a lot of amazing stuff to show you guys. Cooking, gardening, harvesting, then use those vegetables to make some nice dishes. You guys gonna love it. So stay tuned. I'll see you soon.